Do you want to change your Amazon password on your iPhone or Android? No worries. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your Amazon password with just one click. So, let's get started. To do that, open the Amazon app. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap your account. Scroll down and tap on Login and Security. And now tap Edit on the password option. After that, enter your current password and then enter your new password twice. Tap on Save Changes and your password will be changed. So, this is how you can change your Amazon app password on your device. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then please write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.